Today I'm going to be fixing a shower head. You can see the old shower head is leaking water through these joints and it looks pretty old and dated, so I'm going to replace this shower head today. I went to the Home Depot and purchased this shower head, so I'm going to replace the old shower head for this new one. And to replace the shower head is just you unscrew the old one from the main pipe. Sometimes the pipe starts right here. I extended it when I installed this shower head. I extended it with this pipe. This is the kind where you just click right there. This portion brings two parts. It's this one and a hose. One end goes into this portion and the other one goes into the main shower head. Okay. Beautiful. The shower head replacement was complete, and if I can do it, you can do it too.